thank you so much for joining me for yet another unboxing video. I'm really happy that you guys are enjoying these videos, so we're just gonna continue to do them. And this time we have September's box, and this one is really great. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So this month's box is called Refresh and Reset, and as always you have your brochure that has all of the information about each product, and this month's code is $20 off a $50 order, and this expires October 20th. Another really great thing that we started doing for our boxes is instead of tissue paper, we're doing biodegradable peanuts. So these can actually be put in your compost, or you can actually run them under water and they will completely dissolve into your sink. So that's really cool. So instead of just throwing them in the trash and taking up a bunch of space, you can do either of those things. So the first product I want to talk about on the list is Our Little Secret, the Step 3 Rebuild Serum. So this is super great for firming and getting rid of any wrinkles on your skin. You want to use this after you cleanse and resurface, and this is a Step 3 Rebuild. And then you'd put on your moisturizer afterwards. This is really great, and with prolonged use, you'll see amazing long-lasting results. And as always, we do include a refill, so you do plant a tree with your box. And this is great for when your bottle is empty. You can put it in here, or you can use this on the go. It's perfect for travel and amazing just to have extras of. Another awesome product to complement your Our Little Secret is All Nighter. It's a Step 2 resurfacer, so you can use this before you use your Our Little Secret. This is a super cute little travel sized bottle. I love this packaging. It's so perfect to throw in your purse and it looks like it's not even there. Great for carry on, and you could actually take these both with you. This barely takes up any room, which is super great, and I love that. All Nighter is super great. It's a nighttime repair serum. It has a high concentration of retinol, Matrixyl 3000, and even advanced PTX. So it's going to plump your skin, it's going to get rid of wrinkles, age spots, sun spots, everything like that. It's a super great serum, but it's very gentle, so it's not gonna peel or irritate your skin. And we do recommend using sunscreen during the day if you are using All Nighter the night before, because your skin gets a little bit more sensitive. The next product in your box that I'm super excited about, because I know a ton of you were asking about it after Olivia's ion device tutorial that we uploaded to YouTube. This is the nanomister. So this is a really great add-on to the ion device tool that many of you have from a previous BeautyBox. They're also available on the website, but this is gonna keep your skin super lubricated and hydrated. And the best way to use it is to put mineral water in this for added benefits to the skin, and it's easier for the water to penetrate into your skin. But you can really use this anytime you want in your skincare regimen. Our newest product in the box is Vibrance. It's vitamin C crystals that you actually want to add to your serums. I recommend adding it to your Step 3 Rebuild serums, which is great for Our Little Secret that came in your box. And I'm just gonna show you how much you wanna use. Get up to the camera a little bit. Add your serum, how many pumps you wanna use that you normally use. Just add it to this, mix it in with your finger until it's fully mixed and the crystals have dissolved. And then you're gonna go ahead and just rub it all over your face until it's completely rubbed in. Sometimes you may get a little bit of a tingling effect from this, and that's completely normal, that's okay. Vitamin C is super great for brightening your skin, so this is just a complete added benefit to your already amazing serums. So this is a great little tool and add-on to your skincare regimen. Last but certainly not least, we have the Redemption Conditioning Spray in a travel size bottle. So a lot of you are familiar with the box from a while back. We did put a full-size Redemption in there. That was the brand new product in the box, and we got great feedback from you guys. You guys love this product. So we went ahead and put a travel size version in there, which I'm a huge fan of because I hate lugging around all my full-size skincare and hair care. I'm crazy about bringing all of my hair care products when I go places, so it takes up a ton of room. So this is really a great option, and it still has a lot in there, so you'll get a lot of use out of this. So the way you want to use this is after you get out of the shower, you just want to towel dry your hair a little bit, and then go ahead and spray this in your hair all over. Not too much, but you want to do a good amount to where it covers all of your hair. So flip it, get it in there, and then you want to brush it through, and then you can style your hair as normal. It's gonna detangle, defrizz your hair, and it even has an added benefit of heat protection. So this is a great tool for that. So thank you guys so much for watching another unboxing video for the September beauty box. I hope you guys enjoy it as much as we do, and go ahead and like and subscribe on YouTube so you can stay up to date with all of our tutorials, our unboxing videos, and much more. So we'll see you next time, and don't forget to check the QR code on the back to watch these new videos every month. Bye guys.